Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check for plagiarism on Grammarly. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started and make sure that you are logged into your Grammarly account. Here I'm going to open up my Grammarly app. Make sure that you are also logged into your Grammarly account and then click on the new document button. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this editor's page. Paste in or type in your text that you'd like to check for plagiarism. After you are done typing in or pasting the text you'd like to check for plagiarism, you'll be able to see that there are some suggestions regarding the text, and Grammarly has found some writing issues, incomplete sentences, passive voice misuse, and much more. In order to check for plagiarism, click on the plagiarism button at the bottom right hand corner. In order to do a plagiarism check, you must go premium for Grammarly. If you're not a premium user, go ahead and click on Go Premium and follow through the prompts till the end. Select your plan you'd like to get started with. Choose your plan as an individual or team and click the Select button. On the next page, complete your payment information. You can enter your PayPal account's information or enter your credit card information, your country, the expiry date, security code and postal code information and click on Checkout in order to subscribe for premium, and then you'll be able to use your plagiarism checker function on Grammarly. After you are able to check for plagiarism, Grammarly will compare your text to billions of web pages and academic papers in private databases looking for sentences or paragraphs that might have been published elsewhere. That is how you can easily check for plagiarism on Grammarly. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.